Hey everybody, welcome back with a new video. Long time no see. My name is Jamie and you're watching Film Empire. In today's HitFilm Q&A, I'll be answering 7 questions asked on the HitFilm subreddit. Link is down in the description below. I encourage you to take a look and ask your own questions should you have any. Question 1 is by user ThatCoolBlob. They ask how to make everything under layer A in a composite shot blurred. Let me introduce you to the wonderful thing that is a grade layer. Grade layers work similarly to adjustment layers in Adobe Premiere, in that effects you add onto them apply to all the layers visible below it. In a composite shot, click New Layer and select Grade or use shortcut Ctrl-Alt-G on Windows. Now add the effects you want and see them apply on the layers below. Please note that the grade layer feature is only available inside composite shots, not on the editor timeline. Haniel Dev, I hope I pronounced that right, asks how to extract all the individual clips as individual videos. Can I export it in a way that every little snippet of video extracts as their own video, not all merged together? I know I can do in to out areas, but that would take a lot of time. I'm just trying to save time. Thanks. Right-clicking a clip gives you the option to add it to the export queue. This is very useful if your workflow requires you to extract lots of clips. Alexander070305 asks how to insert a clip into a composite shot. I have some footage in my editor timeline that I want to edit a little with, but I'm not sure how to add a clip from the editor timeline into a composite shot. Similarly to the last question, you can do it by right-clicking the clip. This time, select Make Composite Shot. Another option is to select the clip and use shortcut Ctrl-M to make it into a composite shot. K Cavalier asks, I'm trying to stretch the video track so that I can edit more accurately. Does anyone know how to do this? I'm not trying to stretch the video screen, I just want to stretch the track so I can time my edits better. Control Scroll is your friend. I can't begin to tell you how often I use this. If you build it into a habit, it can speed up your workflow immensely. Also, in the lower left corner of the timeline is a little horizontal scroll bar with 2 mountain icons next to it. Dragging it left or right will zoom out and in respectively. Darth Blagus says, the red aligner is gone. They're referring to the red line when a clip snaps into place. And that is exactly what the problem is here. Snapping is turned off. Snapping can be toggled with the magnet icon left of the timeline zoom bar or by using Shift-S. Vitals asks, why is it when I export my video, HitFilm automatically condenses it? I record at 1440p at 60 frames per second. When I export, HitFilm downscales it to 1080p and 30 frames per second. How do I prevent this? This has to do with your export settings. You're able to export at different settings than your timeline, which is useful if you do it on purpose. Make sure if you go into the export tab that your selected preset has the same resolution and frame rate as the source. You can edit a preset by right-clicking and selecting Edit Preset, or you can duplicate your preset and edit the copy. Check the boxes under Use Source to make sure that your export comes out correctly. Last question for today. Barrel Roll Bob, great username by the way, asks, Ellipse tool, where art thou? I keep hearing about this ellipse masking tool, but it seems to be missing. Clicking and holding the mask button will give a drop-down with different mask shapes to choose from, including the ellipse shape. Alright, that is it for this episode. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below or post them in the HitFilm subreddit. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!